Today, we are announcing that PTC is making available for 1 year a free license of our ThingWorx software to companies making things in Massachusetts that are less than $250 million in revenue and have fewer than 250 employees.
We're making investments in small to mid-size companies that if they can connect to the tools and the mentorship in this innovation space, then they can get their company to grow at a higher level, which means more jobs and opportunities in the communities and regions throughout this Commonwealth.
Maggie Motion is a small manufacturing company. We have a very cool product as an intelligent transport system for smart manufacturing and assembly. As we grow our manufacturing, we need to do it in a smart way that's scalable. Recently, we implemented Factory Talk Production Center, which is our MES system. ThingWorx is the next logical step to help us really extract information, utilize that information, and make us smarter in how we manufacture products.
What ThingWorx will allow small manufacturing companies across Massachusetts to do is to understand what is going on inside their factories, look for ways that they can improve the efficiency of their production capacity, and ultimately compete in new ways that they haven't been able to before.
This is allowing manufacturers like Maggie Motion to create products with unprecedented capabilities. But it also presents a challenge to manufacturers that they need to get into the digitization of their factories. That is going to be critical to their survival.
Manufacturing is alive and well in Massachusetts because of this high level of collaboration that you're seeing at all levels. Over 250,000 people are employed in the manufacturing sector in Massachusetts. It's 10.1% of our output in GDP in Massachusetts.
We want to thank PTC for coming forward with this innovative idea and for your interest in working with your state government to make this happen.